With just a day for North Kashmir to go to polls, fresh threat posters surface again in the region, instilling fear among voters. Posters threaten the voters to abstain from voting or else be ready to face the bullet. Even as the PDP and National Conference are busy pinpointing fingers at each other, the BJP remains unfazed by the threats.
A day to go for another polling phase, and at this crucial time, posters threatening voters to refrain from voting surfacing again.
Now North Kashmir that sees the terror shadow looming large as terror poster warnings have been found pasted at several important places of Baramulla as well as Bandipora districts. Poster warnings that have a branding of Lashkar and Hizbul Mujahideen on them warn the people to boycott the elections or face the bullet.
The voter turnout so far has been low in the state, and those in North Kashmir are also now under pressure to not exercise their ballot.
इसलिए हम वोट नहीं डालेंगे सर, इसलिए हम डरते हैं क्योंकि जो वोट डालेगा पहले उसको हम गोली से डरते हैं सर.
Meanwhile, as security forces keep a tight vigil, the PDP pinning the blame on the ruling National Conference, and expectedly the National Conference Supremo not taking the accusation lying down.
यार हम क्यों लिखेंगे? हमने हमारे लोग मारे जाते हैं, बम हमारे इसमें मीटिंग्स में पड़ता है, तो हम ही पोस्टर लिखेंगे. हमने ये काम न तो कभी किया है, न इंशाल्लाह कभी करेंगे.
On the other hand, the BJP confidently stating that the threats will bear no effect on the polls.
Also in elections, we used to get these kind of threats from the anti-national elements. This time also we are facing the same threats, but I am very much confirmed that the people of Kashmir will throttle these attempts by the international elements.
With heavy police and army presence in place ahead of the decisive polls, whether or not North Kashmir turns up in large numbers to vote remains to be seen. Bureau Report, Times Now.